The 2025 Ferrari 296 GTB marks a significant evolution in Ferrari's lineup, blending cutting-edge hybrid technology with the brand's iconic performance and design. As Ferrari's first V6-powered model since the Dino series, the 296 GTB redefines driving exhilaration for the modern era. Design and aerodynamics. The 296 GTB's exterior is a harmonious fusion of classic Ferrari aesthetics and contemporary aerodynamic efficiency. Its sleek, sculpted lines not only enhance visual appeal but also optimize airflow for superior performance. The front fascia features a low-slung grille flanked by sharp LED headlights, while the rear showcases an integrated spoiler and quad exhaust outlets, emphasizing its sporty character. The car's compact dimensions, with a length of 4,565 mm and a width of 1,958 mm, contribute to its agile handling and dynamic stance. Powertrain and performance. At the heart of the 296 GTB lies a 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine paired with an electric motor, collectively delivering an impressive 819 horsepower. This plug-in hybrid setup enables the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.4 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 205 miles per hour. The 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission ensures seamless power delivery to the rear wheels. Additionally, the 7.45 kWh battery provides an electric-only range of approximately 15 miles, suitable for quiet, emission-free urban commutes. Interior and technology. Inside, the 296 GTB offers a driver-centric cockpit adorned with premium Italian leather and carbon fiber accents. The fully digital 16-inch instrument cluster provides essential driving information, while the multifunctional steering wheel incorporates touch-sensitive controls for various functions. However, some users have noted that these touch-sensitive pads can be less responsive, potentially requiring acclimation. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, but Android Auto is notably absent. Driving dynamics. The 296 GTB excels in delivering an engaging and responsive driving experience. Its lightweight chassis, advanced suspension system, and rear-wheel drive layout contribute to precise handling and exceptional agility. The integration of the electric motor enhances throttle response, providing instantaneous acceleration. Drivers can select from multiple driving modes: e-drive, hybrid, performance, and qualify to tailor the car's dynamics to their preference.